Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I make my braid by myself. Okay, how I make this beautiful hairstyle by myself. Keep watching guys as I take you guys along, as I show you guys how I do my whole hair by myself. Look at me guys, smiley, oh smiley, I'm also fine girl. Who be that fine girl nah me. The hair is so nice guys. It was so, I don't even know how to explain it. I feel so good on this hair. I did this hair by myself. Kudos to me. Keep watching guys. Let's do this hair together. Okay guys, let's get started. The hair I will be using expression in color 2, and the inches is 52 inches, okay, of expression hair. And this is my shine jam gel and my comb that I will be using. Okay, you guys just watch me do this thing. Just watch the video and enjoy the music in the background as I do this hair. Okay, thank you so much everyone for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. You are welcome. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and please don't forget to follow my page if you are new to my page. I love you guys. Keep watching. Okay, guys, we are almost done. At this point, guys, I can't lie to you. I was tired. I can't wait for the hair to finish. It was in the middle of the night. I was really tired, guys. It's not easy to make your hair by your own self almost 5 to 6 hours. It's not a joke, guys, but I enjoy the process. I love it. After I saw the finished product, okay, I was so happy. I was so excited. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in, for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate every one of you for the love, for the support. May God bless you all. Yes, I am finally done. I am finally done, guys. Look at it. I tried, guys. Do you guys like it? I tried. I was so done. I can't wait to go to bed and sleep, okay? Because I did it during the evening. Then before I finished, it was really late in the night. Then I went to bed. Then the next day, I just finished it up, okay? That's it, me showing you guys the back of the hair. The hair was so light. It wasn't heavy at all. It wasn't heavy at all. It was so light. It's not heavy at all. Look at me trying to look at it. My handwork. Hey, my handwork. Okay, guys, look at. Now I'm going to bed. I said I'm going to sleep. Okay, guys, this is the next day. All glam up. Okay, this is the next day. I've styled my hair. What I did after I finished braiding the hair, I dipped the hair inside a very hot water just to seal up the tip of the hair. Now this is the finished look. It looks so good. I really love this hair, guys. I was feeling myself. I was so happy with the end result, guys. And the inches, I love the inches, 52 inches. I love the length. The length is good. I like it. I love it. I hope you guys like it too. Leave your comments in the comment section if you like what you see, if I did a good job, guys. I'm not that perfect, but I try my best, okay? I just love this hair. I really love this hair. I love the outcome. It was so light. It wasn't heavy at all. It was so light, and I just like it. I just love it. Okay, guys, thank you so much, everyone, for staying to this point, for watching to this point. If you watch to this point, you are the real MVP. I appreciate you. I appreciate you for the love, for the support. And please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, okay? If you watch a video, please give a thumbs up. The thumbs up is very important. That way YouTube will recommend the videos to other people, okay? Please, guys, try to thumbs up the video and try to share the video also. I love you so much, guys. I love every one of you. Look at me trying to I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Guys, thank you so much, guys. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Let me model for you guys. Let me model for you guys. Hey, oh more. Who not like better thing? I really like this hair, guys. I really love this hair. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, I'm after almost 5 to 6 hours. Yeah, more than 6 hours. But it worth the time, okay? It worth the time. After seeing the end result, it worth the time. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love, the support. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. One love, keep us together. Bye everyone. Bye bye.